Hey everybody, Joe Nicholas here with Vibes. Come along as we're at CEDIA 2025 here in Denver. There's a lot of new products and offerings here from different vendors and different partners we work with. So we're going to take you along and show you those. We're at the Sonance booth showing off one of their new commercial speaker systems that they have. They actually just brought out a brand new 10-inch version of their speakers. They have that both a Mariner and a pendant, which is awesome. So as you guys know, I always like it loud. We like to bring loud things to you guys as well too. If you have that environment, that ecosystem where we need to bring a loud speaker with a bigger size, we can finally do that here with them. Before we were limited to 8-inch, which also produced a lot of sound. But the new 10-inch is quite the speaker that they have here. It comes in both a black and a white finish. It's all weather rated. And again, they have it in a surface mount and or a pendant as well too. So really cool product. Thank you for taking a look at the new 10-inch outdoor pendants and the surface mount speaker here from the Sonance Professional Series. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. If you have a project in mind, you can reach out to us as well too. Our emails are www.experiencethevibes.com, or our phone number is 515-966-4966. Thank you.